Hey everyone, Social Security payment are going out the Wednesday, April 5, 2026. But here the big question, are you one of the people getting paid? Millions are waiting off their checks. You don't realize this payment system is based on one simple detail, your birthday. Miss the detail and you could be expecting money on the wrong day. In this video, I will explain you step by step who gets paid on April 15, how the system works and how can check your exact payment group. Stay till the end because I also show how some people qualify over $5,000 per month. Let's started. The Social Security Administration is sending payment on April 15, 2026 as a part of the regular monthly schedule. This date is specifically 10 group of the beneficiary. The system divided the payment into three groups. Each is assigned different Wednesday. In April 2026, those date on April 8th, April 15th, and April 2022. So if we belong to the second group, April 15th, your payment. Now let's start the who actually received this payment. If your birthday fall between the 11th and 20th of any month, you will second group. As remember, does not matter what year you were born. Only of this date count the including retirement, social security, disability insurance, beneficiary and survival benefit receipts. Even if you're receiving benefit based on someone easily work record like a SPO and relative, you can still include it. But here the detail in this case, your payments actual depend on original worker's birthday. Now here's something surprised lots of the people in 2026. The maximum social security benefit can go up to $5,181 per month, but very few people actually receive this amount. To qualify, you need to the meet strict condition to you must be earned above the maximum taxable income limit in least 35 year. In 2026, limit 1,84,500 per year, and you must be delay claiming benefit until age 17. If you claim early, your monthly payment is lower. And age 62, the maximum is about $2,969. For full retirement, age 67 increase to the around $4,152. Only about 6% worker reach the highest benefit. For millions of the people, Social Security is just not an income; it's the lifeline. It's pay instant food, rent, and healthcare. Thanks for watching this video.